Hey everybody, it's Saturday morning and I've been out here on the water for a couple of hours. I've done alright, I've caught a few, but I've sort of fished my way back into this corner. I've never really caught any fish back here, but it's so idyllic and beautiful. I always like to come back here anyway. So now we're just going to gently turn around. I'm going to use my hands instead of the paddle, so I'm not in any hurry. And we're gonna fish our way along through here for a little while. So we'll see what happens. Using my little 5.5 foot lightning rod. I've taken a break from the bigger equipment. And I'm just kind of winding my day down now. I thought I'd share a few moments of it with you. Alright, this is a nice little test from a new lightning rod. This is a little 5.5 foot lightweight rod. It's not bad. It's not huge, but it's not bad. Alright. Get my pliers out for this one. Not even sure that's in there. That's one of them. There we go. Alright everybody, I'm packing it in. We're heading back to the boat launch. We did alright. We caught that one decent sized one on my small lightning rod. Didn't do anything on my larger lightning rod today, using the whopper plopper, but that's how it goes. Sometimes you catch them, sometimes you don't. At any rate, thanks for joining me. I hope you had a good time as much as I did, though I doubt that. In any case, I'll see you real soon in the next one. Thanks for watching this one.